dalawa sila.
Wow! Ayaw ko na, Panginoon! Panginoon! Wow! Wow! Ang ganda! Feel na feel mo, girl, ah. What? Sa tiger.
Ay, sila yun.
Ayun.
I was so beautiful.
Yes. Oh. Oh, look at here. Iya. Smile. Near to your ate, Unshil. Hug. Feel. Wow. Oh. Smile. Where do you want to go, Unshil? No, you choose. Smile. 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 Smile.
Turo mo dali. This one or this?
Wow! Ang sarap na ng buhay! That one. Space shuttle. Woo! Yung kasama ko nandiyan lang!
Ayaw ko na, Panginoon!
Panginoon! Look at here! Hi! Buhay pa ba ako, girl? You're pinching my grass off. Oh, you're pinching. Let's go. Let's go. Takot. Space shuttle lang yan, pero kakatakot. Pasok natin. Hi!
Important home.
No! No, it's 2,000.
In Korea, they said, don't get here.
Why?
Because, or down. You can write that.
You want?
No!
Okay mo na, pray.
Ayun na!
Diyos ko po, kakatapos kakababa lang po namin sa space shuttle. Yung kasama ko, nonchalant. Walang ka-expression. My goodness!
Gusto dyan.
You go there?
Yes.
You want to go there?
Yes.
Together with who? Finish!
Dapat ikaw ang nandun.
Bakit?
Para nag-enjoy ka.
Oh, yung nga doon. Did you enjoy? Ayun yung bodyguard namin.
I think it's just like family.
I think... lang po sila. Si What do you want? Bear? Yay! O, teka.
Mark!
1, 2, 3, hobbies. Yeah. Wow. Wait. Ano one? Yan. 1. Iyan.
Ay, dalawa ako. Dalawa sila.
Oh, yay!
Happy, happy.